Introducing a Jonathan Styles design, the Kizer Militaw, featuring a drop-point blade and 80's camo carbon inlays, and titanium handles, super smooth action, a diamond-like coated M390 steel blade, and a 3D titanium pocket clip plus a set of extra screws. A 336-inch blade, overall 8-inch. A in-hand deployment demonstration shows the multiple deployment options via thumb hole or reverse flick. The frame lock is conveniently easy to reach for disengagement. Front flipper opening with a flick quickly shows the beautiful aesthetics design of the Kizer Militaw, 80's Camo Carbon Edition. Bonus feature: use a UV light to behold a beautiful spectacle and see the knife glow.